Hey there, I am Ryan, CEO of KHB Construction. Today we want to shoot a video on what your full home transformation is going to cost right here in Modesto, California. Being located right here in Modesto, California, we have the bulk of our projects in the Central Valley, and we've done quite a bit of full home transformations. So when I'm talking about cost, I'm going to be talking about generalities of cost. It's going to be historical ballparks of what we have performed in the past that give you some sort of a representation of what your full home might cost based off my example. Today we're going to use a 2,000 square foot home as an example with a kitchen, 2.5 baths, and replacing all the floors and painting the whole house. This home would be a single story home, so no staircase, no second story, just one single story, 2,000 square feet. And I just kind of want to rip the Band-Aid off here. It's going to be around $240,000, and I'm going to get to why. If you're just looking for the price, there it is. But from where I'm at in Modesto, California, all the projects we completed, $240,000 is the baseline for a kitchen, 2.5 baths, all the flooring, and paint throughout the home. Now to break down this cost, I want to start in the kitchen, which is the heart of the home and what we specialize here at KHB. Custom kitchens in Modesto with new cabinetry, new light fixtures, plumbing fixtures, painting that kitchen, backsplash, solid surface, appliances, everything going in. The kind of starting point there is $85,000. Now with that, smaller kitchens can be less than $85,000. Bigger kitchens will be more than $85,000. But for this example, $85,000 is kind of the historical average. Next up, I want to hop into the bathrooms. This is the master bath, hall bath, and a powder bath or half bath. Master bath, this is usually a larger space than the hall bath or the half bath, obviously bigger than the hall bath. So with that, there is a higher cost, just inherently with that square footage. Typically, we're doing custom vanities, custom shower, new plumbing fixtures, adding plumbing locations, whether that's relocating the toilet, adding a freestanding tub, taking a wall out, making that bathroom a little bit bigger. All these things impact that cost. But for a like-for-like custom master bathroom, we're looking at a starting point of around $65,000. Now with the same finishes going into a hall bathroom with a smaller size, we're more in that $45,000 to $50,000 range. In the half bath or the powder bath, we're obviously not having a shower, and the shower being the main plumbing source in that bathroom is the biggest cost in that hall bath or master bath. So taking that out, we have done half baths for as low as $10,000, and that's kind of where the ballpark of the average comes out to is $10,000. Next up, to finish off the cost of this full home transformation, we're going to talk about the flooring and the paint. So flooring, I would use like a $399 square foot allowance for this, and for this 2,000 square foot home, you're going to be around $20,000. Now, obviously, depending on the prep, depending on the install, it could be a little bit more or be a little bit less depending on what you select and the condition of the home. Painting this home historically is going to be around $15,000, and this is not including any fine stain finishes on cabinetry. So if you have a lot of millwork, a lot of custom cabinetry getting refinished, that cost would be a little bit higher. And once again, if you're doing the same paint, which is kind of a trend right now, on the walls, the trim, and the ceiling with different sheens, that will be a little bit cheaper than that price point. So all in with that ballpark of $240,000, it's a big number, and there are a lot of ways to finance your project if you don't have that cash in hand. Not many people have that cash in hand, and most of the projects are financed either through a renovation loan, a 203K loan, an ARV loan, which is taking the after renovation value of the home and incorporating that into the actual loan, or cash out refinances. Those are kind of the three most popular ways people are paying for these full home transformations. If you are looking to get your full home transformed right here in Modesto, California, I would love to talk to you. Go to our website, fill out the Get Your Quote form, and we will call you as soon as we can, or give us a call directly. We can talk about this full expanded process and where you're at in that and help you consult to make those right decisions.